Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with a live document, so first identify the border type: page, paragraph, table, or text box. Open the file and save a copy to prevent accidental loss. Then click into the text or drag to select the content around the visible border. Once done, you'll be ready to use the ribbon controls. Make sure you keep the selection active. This short setup lets you target the correct menu, Design, or Home, so the removal step works immediately and precisely. You'll now remove inline borders like paragraph or table edges. With the text selected, go to the Home tab and open the Borders drop-down, then choose No Border. This removes paragraph-level lines. For tables, click inside the table, switch to Table Design and set borders to No Border so cell lines disappear. If you still see lines, use clear formatting or enable paragraph marks to reveal hidden borders. Make sure to inspect adjacent paragraphs. Sometimes a border is applied to a neighboring paragraph, not the one you thought. Finish by removing page level or object outlines. Open the Design tab, click Page Borders and set border to none, then OK. That clears whole page frames. For shapes or text boxes, select the object, go to Shape Format, pick Shape Outline and choose No Outline so the box border vanishes. Once done, scroll the document to confirm removal across sections. Make sure to check header and footer areas and any section breaks. Troubleshooting tip: if a border persists, inspect section breaks or paste into a new document to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.